I found a freaking carnival! La boo boo? Aye! Ah, la boo boo. Paris! Day 2? You're not even ready for this adventure. I don't know if I am. Oh, I forgot to show you, but this is the hotel I'm staying at. Hotel, motel, holiday inn. So I'm headed to another Emily in Paris stop, and we're gonna have lunch. I am at the Emily in Paris restaurant. So they may not have ranch here, but this should be hitting. Put that on your pizza. Thank you. That was so cute. Best lunch ever. Alright, I'm gonna take y'all to a dope ass shopping mall. I am getting Chanel number 5. It's about time for an Aperol Spritz. The biggest takeaway from this trip is that I am now addicted to Aperol Spritz. I found a freaking carnival! La boo boo? Aye! Ah, la boo boo.
Aren't you screaming? Oh my god, it's so cute when you do.
Another Paris light is these freaking lounge chairs. Lean back. Lean back. I can't teach it. It's something like that. Lean back. Oh, this was so sick. I'm gonna go back to the telly for a bit, get changed into my club bit, and then hit the club. Guess what time it is? Clubbing time!